Well, who's not abating? Diamond Hands. They are making their way back on board with the market meme stock. AMC, they got a huge surge in trading volume, around 38.8 million shares of trading hands. The stock itself was halted of the volatility yesterday and peaked an increase of 24% intraday. Mark, are you seeing any money flow moving with the meme stock as volatility surges?
Yeah, volume blew up yesterday. Implied volatility has really popped up. The conversion reversal price. So that is the price that tells us that a stock is getting harder to borrow, which can initiate a short squeeze, is now standing at about a negative 20 cents between now and December expiration, which means I have to pay 20 cents to short AMC stock. That's a pretty nice annualized interest rate. So we're starting to see some squeeze there. But interestingly, there might be something underneath there somewhere, because look at the price chart of IMAX and Cinemark. And IMAX is one we've seen some huge, big money bullish flow, and a few other things. It's interesting that the movie, but we did see also squeezes higher in BlackBerry. Nokia was moving higher, so there's a little bit of memeness to it as well. But memeness to it. But now you've got me thinking about my eyebrows. I shouldn't look at chat. Hey,
Mark.
So, yeah.
Can you do that? You gotta go like. There you go. All right. Mark looks extra expensive today. Garrett looks thrilled. We're going to get into some volume profiles. Look at you. Volume profiles by request. By the way, Jackie said if I knew the things Garrett knew, I would be afraid to trade. So I guess that's the trading face that Garrett has on right now.
No, Mark, I'm reading something else, Vaz. I'm reading, remember when we go back, we were talking about why, what was the most random ETF that had Apple stock in it? Well,
yes.
The Global X S&P Catholic Values ETF has a 6.4% weight in Apple. It also has massive stakes in Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet. What does that have to do with Catholic views? That's not what I'm contemplating. What I'm contemplating is what happens in January if there's a rotation in the market out of tech into energy, and if we see big rotation in 2023 away from, ETFs trying to crowd their benchmark, and, they sell certain stocks and then they go back to what their actual theme is. What does that do? The thematic investing strategy, what does that do to those big FANG stocks? That's just what I'm sitting here thinking about as I'm, drinking my tea and listening to birds scream down the street.
You don't Apple. So let's start with Apple. You don't use the Rosary app? I do. Yeah. I mean, it's the best.
What's the Rosary app? What's the Rosary app?
So for today, should I go through the sorrowful, the joyful, the luminous, or the glorious mysteries? What do you think?
I think glorious
the mysteries
mystery
sound good to me. Yeah, that's the only way to do it.
I agree. Wait, look how Garrett's sipping up. You guys are so Christmas right now. I'm